All right, pay attention. Once the retail noise quiets down and institutional giants take the wheel, that's when XRP actually starts moving. And Ripple insiders are straight up hinting at exactly that shift. What most retail holders still don't grasp is that XRP isn't being built as a meme coin. It's being engineered as institutional financial infrastructure. And executives at Ripple have openly said their focus is on real world utility, not hype cycles. Ripple's been quietly assembling the plumbing that banks, money managers, and regulated markets want. Prime brokerage, custody rails, real-world settlement tools, and even compliance-ready ledger upgrades that make big capital comfortable moving trillions on-chain. Not just retail bag holders chasing quick pumps. And this isn't some crypto Twitter insider. XRP ETF flows and institutional protocols are already rewriting the narrative, y'all. Early 2026 saw over 1.3 billion in XRP ETFs. It is a huge stamp of approval for XRP. And yet, price hasn't even begun to reflect the gravity of that shift. That's the story Ripple executives all but confirmed. The retail crowd is the appetizer. Institutions are the main course. Once banks and asset managers truly start using XRP for settlement and global liquidity, instead of trading it as a speculative ticket, the technical squeeze, it's going to be historic.